Hi guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about the best investment software to use, especially if you're in Australia, because we don't have access to things like Robinhood. But since Robinhood be robbing the hood, maybe you don't want to even use Robinhood anyway. But there's a lot of investment softwares that you can't use in Australia, like Webull and James Schwab or whatever it's called. But a little background on me. So I just turned 18 about a month or two ago, and I had around 10K I wanted to invest for my first business that I started, doing some side jobs on Twitter, as well as my original YouTube channel that I had a lot of money saved from. So I had a lot of money just sitting in my savings. I was like, you know what, let me just invest most of this, not all of it, but most of it. So I invested about $1,000 in the Comsec Pocket app, which is, it's alright, but the fees are very expensive. What I realized after I put a bit of money in, that the Comsec Pocket app is really not worth it because they're just investing in all the stocks that I'd invest in anyway. I'd probably invest in an index fund, but they're just investing in similar kind of stocks, but then they charge you a fee every single year for it. So it's probably not the best way to put money in. Then I also put a couple $1,000s in Comsec. I did a little bit of day trading with the GME and AMC thing on plus 500 for a little bit. But right now I have about half my portfolio on Etoro. And that's the software that I'm going to be recommending. As I said, if you guys want to check it out, please use my link in the description. It does help me out a little bit. So if you're interested in signing up and getting started investing today, I would recommend Etoro. Now the great thing about Etoro is that it allows you to invest in international stocks. So if you're going through a bank like Comsec or ANZ, I'm pretty sure with ANZ you're only able to invest in Australian stocks, but I know for Comsec that's definitely the case. You're only able to invest in Australian stocks. But if you do want to go to international shares, you can set up an account, but then you have to convert all your money to US dollars, and then you can't buy Australian stocks. Also, the software is just really hard to use. Comsec is so confusing to me. There's always problems, there's always errors. It has to just be the most inconvenient software possible to invest in. Where Etoro, on the other hand, all you gotta do is look up on the stock. You can also short sell. You can't short sell in Comsec. So that's another huge advantage to Etoro. You're able to short sell stocks if you think it's gonna go down. All you have to do when you wanna invest or short sell is just look up the stock and then just click on the stock. And also it gives you a bunch of news articles and stuff, so you can quickly inform yourself about what's going on in the stock. If you don't know too much about the stock, obviously I'd look into what stock you're actually buying first. Probably want a little bit more research. But also the advantage to that is if you're just checking up on your stock after you've done all your research, after you've invested it, and you want to see why it's dropped, you can go through all the news articles, and Etoro is going to have that available so that you know if you should sell, if this is going to be a long-term thing, where the stock price is going to go down, or if you see the news, oh, it's just they released the earnings report or something, it's just a quick correction and then it's going to keep going back up. So I find that feature incredibly useful on Etoro. Now obviously you guys know, but I'm sure we've all got the ads about the Etoro copy trader. It's actually a really cool feature. I think I have about $1,000 or $2,000 in different copy trading portfolios. Some high risk ones, some low risk ones. I've seen decent returns on it. My account is up a few percent. As I said, I've only had it a couple months. I actually made a bit of money short selling AMC on plus 500. I got the money out of plus 500 and then I brought it over to Etoro and stuck it into like a high risk copy trader. Which again, I think the high risk one's up. It's only up 1 or 2%, but again, it's only in a couple months, so it's not too bad. But a huge advantage to the copy trader is that if you're copy trading, if those people decide to short sell stocks and all that kind of stuff, if they're short selling to make money when when everything's going down, then when you duplicate that, you'll make money when the market's going down, compared to investing in like a safer index fund or something like that. Then you're only making money when the stock market goes up. There's a possibility that you can make money when the stock market goes down and up when you're using the copy trader. But again, it is more risky. You're really just betting on them making the right decisions instead of having your own personal informed opinion. So it's really just gambling. If I'm being honest, copy trader is 100% gambling, but it's still a cool feature if you want to gamble some money. If you have any questions about Etoro or anything like that, comment down below. As I said, it's great software that allows you to trade international and Australian stocks. Has a lot of cool features. It's very, very simple to use, very easy to get started. You can sign up with the link in the description. If this video helped you, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'm out. See ya.